Welcome back to my channel, my loves. It's your girl Shayla Apri, and for today's video we're gonna figure out how to get these dirty makeup brushes. See that? Look at all that on there, all that foundation and stuff on there. See that? We're gonna figure out how to get these bad boys clean, so stay tuned. So first I want to show you guys, these are just my dirty brushes that we gotta get cleaned off. Okay. And then here's what I use. I actually just use, guys, just some shampoo, regular shampoo that you would use to wash your hair. Tresemme is my favorite, so that's the one I use. Yeah, and then these are, I forget what these are called, but I just call them like almost cleaning pads. But I just literally got these from Five Below, and it comes like 2 in a pack. And you just put your 2 index fingers in there. And then just rub the brushes on there and wash them. But I'll show you. Okay, so that's all I literally use. And then you just need your paper towel to dry your brushes. So first, guys, what you want to do is just run your water until it's nice and hot. Okay, and then it doesn't really matter which one of these you use. Like I said, they're just the cleaning pads, and they're both the same, so like I said, it doesn't matter which you use. But like I said, just put your 2 index fingers in there. Okay. What it looks like. And then me, I kind of just, my water takes so freaking long, but I kind of just rinse them all out a little bit at first. And I only do a couple of brushes at a time. Just a couple at a time. So like I said, I just rinse them first. Okay. The sponge I definitely just rinse out, and I'll just kind of sit that in the corner here. Okay. And then you just want to take a little bit of that Tresemme. Okay, take a little bit of that, and like I said, just take the brush, wet it again, put a little bit on my brush, just putting a little bit of that on your brush. Okay, wet that again, and then just start cleaning it, and you'll see all that dirt just start coming off. Okay. And that's all you do. Refill it again, rub it off, and then you'll just keep rubbing and scrubbing. You just keep scrubbing until it's clean. You see all that dirt in there? loves. And I always just put this one face down just so I can let the brush actually dry on the paper towel. So that literally, guys, only took like probably less than 10 minutes. Obviously, if you got more brushes and stuff, it'll take longer. So, you know, you just gotta do your time accordingly. All right. But quick and easy. All right, my love. So that was it. It actually only took like less than 10 minutes to do. Like I said before, if you have more like makeup brushes, stuff like that, of course it's going to take you longer to do. But all you need is just your favorite shampoo that you wash your hair with, a cleaning pad, need a cleaning pad, and then just your dirty brushes, and that's it, and a little bit of time. And then just put it on paper towel, or some people have like I actually wanted to get one. There is it's kind of like a drying rack for your wall, and you can kind of just put it on like a little nail or some type of hook or something, and just hang it. And it's like somewhere you can kind of just hang your wet brushes, which would be good too if you have that. So that is it, my loves. Thank you guys for watching so much and tuning in, and look out, put on those notifications for the next video because they are coming. And guys, our raw vegan challenge is almost up. If you're sticking with it and you're doing it with me, hang in there. We only have like 22, 21 days. So we could finish, and we're going to finish strong. So like I said, see you guys next time in the next video.